So it's a bit of a sad love story. Why? Well, because we found this home in 2021 and the current owners knew that this home needed a bit of TLC, and they've done so much with it that right now they are truly set to leave. However, this story has a happy ending because you have a chance to view it and live right here. 271 Heritage Boulevard. My name is Sergey from New House. Let's go take a look around. Walking in, you'll immediately notice that this space is exceptionally bright. Newly installed 8 white sliders have been placed here to create this space that continues from the dining room, kitchen room area directly to the outdoors. This massive grand reno of this kitchen space is off the hook. We have beautiful cabinetry, elegant backsplash, gorgeous stainless steel appliances, and these counters, they're desirable by every baker in your family. Your TV room, living room area has vaulted ceilings, very high windows for all of that sunlight. To top it all off, a fireplace with a mantle and TV to enjoy your favorite show. Main floor features a laundry room, half bath, and access directly to that large 2-car garage. Let's go upstairs and take a look there. Primary suite has gorgeous high ceilings. We got plenty of space for a king-size bed with side tables, TV, and this ensuite, you are going to truly appreciate it. All right, before we go outside to show you truly the magic spot about this property, let's finish upstairs where you'll find 2 spare bedrooms, main bathroom, and this open landing for a very comfortable office space. It's an easy transition from the outside to this awesome spot in the backyard. Privacy, we got bedrock close against to create that cozy feel. Lots of planting spots, we have garden beds, we have dining area for the family, and then in this corner, just enjoy the coffee, chillax, or a glass of wine. If gathering around the fire is not your thing and you want to give your green thumb a go, this spot is an excellent opportunity to do that. We have a very well established garden with perennials here. And if you do want to plant some annuals, hey, give it a go. Maybe it's a veggie garden. The happy ending? Well, happy ending for you, because if you're interested about this property, you need to give us a phone call and we'll give you all the details, plus we'll schedule that tour. My name is Sergey from New House Team. Please remember, if you've been thinking about selling your home and you believe you deserve luxury marketing, reach out to us. We'll set up a meeting. Until next time, this is where you live, love, Okanagan Falls.